Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me. I wanted to show you just a few things that I got in the mail this past week. And I don't normally get happy mail, so I'm very, very excited about this. But I showed you this punch that has the 3 butterflies on it that came from Loretta Potts. I showed you that, and I think I used it in the mini album. So I'm super excited about that because I had given mine away to a lady in one of my classes that really, really liked it. I give it to her. So Loretta sent me this one, and I really appreciate it. I love it. I will be hoarding that thing. And then this one, and I've written the name on here. This one came from Tina York and her granddaughter, Ariana. And I had broken this one when I was preparing for Made It Con. I broke this one, and I love it so much. I had put a shout out there to anybody who might have one that they wanted to sell because this one's discontinued. And Tina sent me a message and said that she would happily send me hers because she couldn't use it anymore because of her hands, her grips. So thank you so much, Tina, and thank you, Ariana. Also, they sent me this cute little card that I think Ariana had picked out. Look at that little elephant. Isn't that cute? I think Tina had actually done this one for someone else, but Ariana wanted to send this one with the punch because she said that the little elephant, if the mail got lost, the little elephant could bring the punch on to me. She also wrote me a sweet little letter that I will be keeping and putting in some of my little journals. It says, "Mr. Elephant, please take the gift to Miss Edith. It's far away, so be strong and fly safe. I love you, Mr. Elephant, Ariana." Isn't that sweet? That is so sweet. So that will be going in my journal. And then Tina wrote me a sweet letter, and I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but it was very, very nice, very sweet. It really helped me. And Margie sent me this beautiful birthday card, and I want you to look how it does. It says pull, so I pulled, and look at there. It says happy birthday. Isn't that sweet? That is so sweet. And then she wrote me a sweet little note on the back. "Sorry that this is late. Send hugs and prayers. May you be surrounded by overwhelming joy for the whole year. Much love, Margie." Thank you so much, Margie. All these things made me smile so big. I'm telling you. It's like I said, I don't normally get happy mail, so when I get happy mail, it absolutely makes me smile. These have been on my desk where I could look at them the whole time. I probably won't put them up for a long time. I'm just going to look at them. All right, guys, that is it. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to show you these. Well, let me show you this. She punched, Loretta punched, or her husband won. I don't know who punched these, but one of them punched the little butterflies and put it in with the package. Isn't that sweet? I guess just to show that it worked right, and it does work very well. And then I wanted to show you this. I got these from Maymay. I will be doing some videos on these. These are the Gina Marie design dies. So I'll be doing some videos on this one. This is the, let's see. This is the fishtail banner die. And then this one is the picket fence die. And then this one I think you've seen because Maymay has done a video on it. This is the large poinsettia. So I'll be doing some videos on these very shortly. I will link these products below so that you can go over and check them out if you want to. These are very, very inexpensive, and they're wonderful dies. I have already used some of them. So that is it for now. We will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.